This is Alu Thukpa. The OG Thukpa as we know it is Tibetan, but this potato version has its roots in the Darjeeling and Kalimpong region. It's a dish my partner has stories about from his college days, so naturally it's made its way into our kitchen. And really, soupy potatoes with noodles doesn't just the sound of that make you want a bowl already. First, we need to get the noodles cooking. And while we're at it, let's get the potatoes boiling too. In the meantime, I'm going to grate some garlic. Along with that, the tomato. If you're making a larger batch, feel free to let the mixie do the heavy lifting. I'm also chopping some onions for garnish later. Now that the noodles are cooked, drain them and rinse them under cold water. This helps them cool down and keeps them from clumping together later. A small drizzle of oil doesn't hurt either. The potatoes are also done, so I'm quickly going to peel them and cut them into small cubes. And that's more or less all the prep taken care of. One last thing, in a bowl add a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon each of Kashmiri chilli powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Add enough water to make a smooth paste. Now into a pan goes a dash of oil. Once hot, add a sprinkle of Nigella seeds and let them splutter. Then add the grated garlic. Next goes the spice paste along with a splash of water so nothing catches at the bottom. Now add the grated tomato. Season with salt and a tiny bit of jaggery to round everything out. Let it cook down for a few minutes. Then add a generous amount of water. We're making a soup after all. In go the potatoes. Bring everything to a boil and that's it. The cooking's done. All that's left now is to assemble. Start with the noodles. Then spoon over the potatoes along with as much of the broth as you'd like. Finish with some sprouts, chopped onions, coriander leaves, and maybe a squeeze of lime if that's your sort of thing. And there you have it, Alu Thukpa, the kind of meal that's especially welcome when you're feeling a little under the weather, need something comforting after a long day, or simply want a quiet dinner with your favorite show for company. For more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Until the next time, take care and ta-ta.